I'm excited to share my review of this Tatcha Serum Stick. I have had this for probably about 6 months or so, and I was completely impressed by it. I'm in my late 40s, so I'm always kind of battling the under eyes, the dryness, just kind of working on my skin and making sure mostly that my makeup doesn't settle into the fine lines that I'm getting and that I have. So this is something you can kind of use as you wish. I tend to put it on over my makeup, but you could use it on bare skin, however you really want to. And just the texture of it is so just creamy. It's just like an instant moisturizer that you can put on any type of makeup, as I said, and just kind of let it, pat in, and you'll see it just kind of brighten and hydrate that skin immediately. So I'll just kind of tap under my eye here, and you just kind of lightly, let it kind of tap in. But you can see it just kind of like brightens up that area. There's no color to it, but just that instant hydration that you get gives you that dewy, pretty look on your skin. And you can use this a couple times throughout the day. I really don't. I use it once a day, and it lasts, and it just gives you that little extra glow, I think. Especially after you've set your makeup, you don't want it to look too cakey or, settled in. And just by adding the serum stick, it kind of just adds that finishing touch to your look. So I think this would be a great girlfriend or sister gift, or friend, gift to yourself, whatever it is, stocking stuffers, just anything that you would love to give a friend of yours or treat yourself. I think you would be very pleased with this. So if you're on the fence, I would check out. You're going to love it. And I hope you have a beautiful day.